Hello everyone and welcome back to Tegunity Academy. This video is exclusively for those people who are looking for their future in network marketing business, because in today's video we are going to talk about the tools that are must for the growth in your network marketing business. Well, we are bringing every video in both the Hindi and English languages so that more and more people can take the right education. So if you wanted to watch this video in Hindi language, then you have two options. First, go to YouTube search bar and can search for Tegunity.com, which is our official YouTube channel, and on Tegunity.com YouTube channel, and you will see all the videos of network marketing in Hindi language. And second option is quite simple, that in the description box of this video you will find a link to the Hindi version of this video, so you can also follow that link to see the Hindi version of this video. So now let's start. If you are working in network marketing industry, then believe it or not, you are dealing with direct sales. Direct sales means to sell a product with your own will and face to face. And in such face-to-face selling, the thing that matters the most is your communication skills. And if your communication skills are not that good, then you cannot get the title of the best player in the network marketing industry. And this is one of the most unique gifts from the nature, is that skills can be developed too by learning things properly. Communication skill has four basic pillars, like a table has four legs. And one of the pillar is pitch, second is story making, third is convincing power, and fourth one is closing. Communication skill is the most important wanted skill in the network marketing, and especially when you are inviting someone, because you must have heard the first impression is the last impression. So whenever you go out to show a plan to someone, you should keep these 4 points in your mind, because these are the 4 universal points and you can always use them. You will find these 4 points in a digital tool called How to Invite, that is an ebook, and surely you will learn more in addition to these 4 points. Look, in network marketing industry, you need to develop skills, and to develop the skills, we will recommend you to check out How to Invite ebook, because if you want to build your business effectively, then you have to work on your own, and you will always get to see the best results when you are investing on yourself. Look, communication skill is a skill that cannot be developed at all by staying at home. You have to practice for it. You should know that how to prepare the pitch, what kind of story you have to make to convince your prospect to close him or her, and you have to close the prospect by converting the prospect by making a different kind of story, and your story must be depending on the truths. So now let us know why these 4 points are important. The first one is pitch. Pitch is the impression of your confidence level. In network marketing industry, more than 80% of people do not even know that when you are inviting anyone, then what you should say and what you not to say to them. Because some people says that I am doing network marketing business and I wanted you to join with me, and then joining of that prospect becomes the secondary thing, because primarily they do not even pick up your calls. Though you have to make your pitch professional, so that whenever you talk to someone, they feel that you have a point, and then only they would show some interest in your words. Now you must be thinking about how you can make it possible. You will get to know more in detail from the book How to Invite, as I earlier told you. Now second is story making. Means that there is no making or lying at all, but story making means that whatever you say in front of someone, it must be in such a way that the person sitting next to you can connect your words to himself, and he can find a solution to his problem in your talks. And to talk like this, you have to work on your story making skills. But your story must be true, right? Look So there are some tips for story making which are little difficult to tell in a video format. So if you want to achieve mastery in this skill, then you can learn it by reading. Now come to the third point, that is convincing power. You probably know that more than 85% of people loses their prospect because they start arguing with their prospect and they feel that this prospect is so negative for the business. Now I will show him who I am. Many people make this mistake. They themselves hurts their ego, whereas it should not be done at all, because if you do this, then your image will be completely degraded in front of that person. So to convert a prospect, you have to understand his problem and then you have to give him a solution. For example, as of now, many people have become unemployed due to the lockdown situation, which means that they have lost their incomes due to the unemployment, and that problem is the root cause. So you just have to give them some suggestions related to that problem, and you must say to him that I have a solution for this, and for that you will have to understand everything open-minded and you must think about it further. So this was just an example where you can understand the problem of the prospect and connect it to the solution and get talk to them easily. Apart from this, there are many other such situations where the prospect becomes negative. So what should you answer or not to answer in this situation? You can also get answers to many such questions from that ebook. Now come to the last fourth point, that is closing. Yes, this is the final level. So now guys, that you have to come to the final level. All you have to do is to set an appointment and close that prospect. Now people here make a mistake that they go with their one of the upline, one of the downline, and they also take their two new joinees to meet that person. You know that doing this makes your prospect feel nervous. He will agitate in front of you, but still he or she may say yes in front of you, but will never come back to you, nor they will receive your call again. Here all your hard work gets wasted and you ruin the situation. You should understand that the person is your prospect. That means that he has just came to meet you and he is your responsibility. Then you should go to meet them by yourself and show them the plan yourself, because you have dealt with your prospect from the beginning. That means only you knows him better than anyone else. I hope you got something to learn from this video today. And yes, if you are really serious about your future in this network marketing industry, then you should definitely read the book How to Invite, because we can only talk precisely in the videos. And so we were able to cover only one topic in this video. So in the end, we have a suggestion for all of you that if you want, then you can join us on our social media handles, whatever you use, because you will always get some of the new updates there. And the link of our all social media handles are available in the description box of this video. And if you have some questions that are still unanswered, then feel free to ask us in the comment box below. And this is it. If you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and share this video, especially with those people with whom you like to move forward in this network marketing business. Soon we'll meet you again with a new topic. So subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. So this is Divya from Tegonity Academy. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.